everyone, welcome back to Maker Monday.
Welcome to the Jessamine County Public Library presentation, Introduction to Instagram. Instagram is a social media platform where users share pictures and videos for others to like and or comment. Keep in touch with friends, follow celebrities or interesting people, and explore new places. Post pictures of your exciting life, take selfies, and enhance them with a built-in filter. You can also show your friends what you're up to on your story. Set your page to private if you use it primarily for friends, or go public if you want to gain thousands of followers. Develop a theme for your profile, or post freely without concern for petty aesthetics. It's your page, and it's as unique as you are. Did you bring yourself a game? Instagram Basics. Join the community and become proficient in using Instagram. The skills and concepts we'll be going over today are getting started, uploading pictures, searching for people to follow, hashtags, and your story. Getting started. Access your device's App Store and download Instagram. Open the app and tap the option to sign up at the bottom of the screen. You will need to sign up with an email or phone number. Create a username and password. Follow the prompts until your account is created and you are logged in. Once you have logged in, you will see 5 icons across the bottom of your screen. From left to right, the icons are Home, Search, Upload, Likes, and your own profile. Upload pictures. Tap the center plus sign at the bottom of the home page to upload a picture of yourself. This can be used for your profile picture. Once you find or take a picture you like, upload it. Here's the fun part. Filters. Scroll to the right to watch your picture magically shift from one filter to the next until you find the one you are satisfied with. Tap Next. Now say something about your picture. If you use hashtags, your photo has a better chance of being viewed by the public. For example, you can use hashtag selfie. When you have finished writing, tap Share. Use the search icon, the magnifying glass, at the bottom of the screen. You can search for celebrities, friends, and people you know. You can also go to your profile page using the bottom right icon, tap on your following. Scroll to the bottom to see recommendations based on your contacts. Hashtags. Using the same search icon, search a hashtag by entering the hashtag sign before a word. You can use hashtags to link to other users who have used the same descriptions. In the picture you uploaded, you use the hashtag. Tap the hashtag and scroll through the pictures that have the hashtag description. Your story. At the top of the screen, profile pictures of people you follow are lined up horizontally. These are people's stories. You can see what your friends were up to last night, what they're cooking or listening to, etc. Go ahead and take a look. Now you're going to upload to your own story. Click the plus sign next to your profile picture at the top. You can upload a picture or a video, or you can take a picture or record a video. To take a picture, tap the circle at the bottom of the screen. To record a video, hold the circle down. There are filters you can use to record or take a picture on the screen, and when you are finished, you can add stickers, text, and other enhancements. When you are finished, tap Your Story at the bottom or send it as a direct message to your friends.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL CreatorSpace at www.jesspublib.org/CreatorSpace.